How to make a 3D Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with creating your own 3D Shopify store. So if you're looking to make your Shopify store a bit more interesting and you're trying to introduce a new element to your Shopify store, using these 3D elements can truly be a great way to enhance your customer experience and to get your customers talking. To do this, we're going to be using a plugin, and this application is called Odyssey 3D. Now, what exactly is this application and how can you use it? So to get started, simply log on to your Shopify store, and I'm going to show you guys what my store looks like currently so we can compare how it's going to look like later on. This is our store now, and now we're going to go into our dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, go into settings on the left. Once you do that, click on apps and sales channels on the left. Then click on Shopify App Store on the top right. And once you click on Shopify App Store on the top right, you're going to go into the search bar. Once you go into the search bar, you're going to search for Odyssey, or you can just search for 3D, or you can just search for Odyssey 3D. Now, you're going to see some other applications that are labeled as 3D store creators, but most of them are paid and their free plans are very limiting. Again, Odyssey 3D has a free plan. It's limited, but it still is pretty amazing. So you're going to go with Odyssey 3D. You can check out the other apps if you want, and then you're just going to click on install. Now, you will see Odyssey 3D has a free version where you have auto product linking, you have click to move, 3D embed, multiple shop styles, logo and tagline, as well as 3D shop publishing. And then for the Forge, which is $10 per month, where you can choose to pay $100 a year and save 17%. You have custom product selection, which allows you to customize how the products are displayed in the 3D world. You have ambient music, interior studio, 3D models, branding freedom, as well as product frame customization. So they do have a free version, which is pretty decent, but their pro version is definitely way better, and it's just more customizable. But we're just going to proceed with the installation of Odyssey 3D into our store. And once we go into Odyssey, we have installed the application. We're going to pin this to the left navigation menu. Then click on Get Started. Once you do that, you're going to choose where you found Odyssey 3D, and you can choose which plan you want. So you have a 1-month free trial of their pro version, but I'm just going to show you guys the free version. However, with the pro version, you get all of these features, whereas on the Roam version, you only get these. We're going to go with the free version, and then after that, you're going to upload your logo. So whatever brand logo you have, you are just going to upload that and add your tagline. Let's say your tagline is shot or style statement, or dress, style, and go. Let's say that's our tagline. Then you're going to click on Save Changes. Once you click on Save Changes, now it's time for the hard part. So it's not really the hard part. This is where you choose what type of 3D store do you want. So you can see you have so many different options. You can filter them out by category as well as by frames. The higher the frame, the heavier it is going to be. So when it has more frames, that's going to make it more realistic, better looking, but sometimes that can slow down your store speed. So lower frames can look a bit choppy, but usually those are going to be easy to load, quick to load for all of your consumers. Now we have a bunch of different, themes. I'm gonna go with something that's nice. I really like this one. It kind of looks like a real life store. So you have a bunch of different options. I'm gonna go with the Flora Retreat. I'm just gonna click on this. I can click on preview to preview the actual 3D store. So we're gonna wait and preview this before we actually create our store like so. And I'm just gonna wait a couple of seconds. And like so. So this is what it would look like. This is the navigation. I think it looks really nice. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to close this out, and I'm just going to click on select to select this. Once I do that, it's time to proceed. So we're going to go on ahead, and we do have to install this in our store. I'm going to skip and go to the dashboard, and I'm just going to view this, and the products are selected automatically, so there are not a lot of customizations that you need to do. Just go into online store, and once you go into online store, you are going to click on customize. Once you click on customize here, you're going to click on app embeds on the leftmost, and I don't see the application here, so it's all right. You're just going to click on add section under template and then go into apps. Once you go into apps, click on 3D shop experience with Odyssey 3D. Then you're going to hold this and place this wherever you want. Now I want to place this slightly above, so what I'm going to be doing is I am just going to take this app and then move it to the top because I want this to be like the first thing that people can see. Once done, I'm going to click on save and then I'm going to exit. Now I will show you guys what it actually looks like. So we're just going to load up our Shopify store. Once I click on enter our 3D experience, we will be able to see the 3D experience and it's loading. It does take a little bit of time to load. And once it has been loaded up, we will then be able to see the 3D experience. So I can go into a full screen mode and then I can walk around the store. This is the look around button. I'm going to turn off the music and then I can go into settings, and these settings are going to be available to all of your customers as well. Then these are the walking icons, and then, customers can look around. They can see all the products displayed within the theme. This is like the branding and all. I can just walk like this. And there's even like this try room area, which is even cuter, especially if you have like a clothing store. I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to go with the perspective like this. I'm gonna look around, and then if a customer likes a product, they can just click on the plus icon. So I would close this out. And if a customer goes into clicking, which it's not doing very nicely right now, but it might be because of my view. Yeah. So if they click on this, they will have this pop up and they can click on go to product. And that would lead the customer from the 3D experience to the actual shop page where they can purchase the product. So that is how you can get started with building your own 3D Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below. And I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.